ಹೆಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀ ನೇಹಾ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆಚೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ಎರಡು ವಿಷಯ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನೋ. ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಈ ಥರ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ I thought to share this breakfast video with you. So stay tuned, stay with me and enjoy. So now it's already 9 o'clock and we are all set to go with my family. So now let's go into the car and let's start up this beautiful journey. So yeah, let's go. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ನಗರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ನಗರದಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರಂ ಕಡೆ ಹತ್ರ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಫೇಮಸ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಲು. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಹೋಟೆಲು. ಇದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ವೀಣಾ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಯಮ್ಮಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇಡ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೀರು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ನೀರು ಚಟ್ನಿ ತುಂಬ ನಂಗೆ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಇದಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಯಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಇದಂತೂ. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯಮ್ಮಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಹಿ ಸೆಡ್ ಐಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಅನ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ that will be more amazing, you'll love that place more. So after eating all these yummy things, I tasted upma also. That was also very good and it was absolutely amazing, soft and very nice with the chutney as well. So we ate that in the car driving itself. So now we've come to another place of our breakfast day. So we've come to Malleshwaram himself. It is CTR Sri Sagar place. It's very famous for its masala dosa and puri, tasty part and all. So we ordered 4 dosas. It was so crispy, so delicious and so yummy dosas. And the right chutney was like amazing. I didn't like the pudina chutney much, but it was also good. It was crispy, hot, nice and yummy. So it was so crunchy that we just all loved it. And we also ordered like 2 puris, in which me and my sister took half and my dad and mom also took half, because we were not able to eat more. And we also ate some kesri bath, which is also very, very good. So it was a nice breakfast that we had. So this is the style they make their dosas. It was really cool. And now we were heading forward to our cars and we saw some fruits over there which we thought to buy, but it was not that fresh. So we just headed on to the car. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇದು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ so royal, so greenery, such a positive vibe hotel. And I just wanted to ask, how was the breakfast, mommy? It was nice. Oh, thank you. So now we are going head in. So now here we have automatic sanitizer machine and then obviously fever checker. So this is the complete royal style western hotel. The granites, the floorings, all were just superb and we just all loved it. There were so many showpieces and all. There were so many types of mirrors which I just loved it. And this is amazing, the place which I come. It's just not to say we came here for chai. We came here for a positive vibes, positive eras and all. We just loved this place. So we were chilling at that place and chit-chatting. Meanwhile, they came to take the order. We ordered chai and then we got instead something that was unexpected. So just head on to the video front and you can see. So we drank some water, took some photo shoots, and this was the unexpected thing that we got. We got so many buns that he bought because my dad is a regular customer, so he bought us some buns and breads, and it was good. So I just for fun added some brown sugar to it before the chai comes. Now, then we tasted this oats muffin, which was really soft, really spongy, and very good. Then we tried the banana and walnut bread. This was also nice, spongy, and cinnamon flavor was awesome. Then we tried the pineapple sweet puffs. This was amazing. It was so crispy and nice. And here is the thing which I liked during this part, that they served in so beautiful cup saucers, and the mug was small but it could fit around 6 to 7 cups of chai. So that's amazing, right? We just loved the concept. And he gave my dad some salt cookies that were also like really good. We tasted that as well, and it was love. So I had no patience to wait to drink the tea, so we just sipped in our tea. It was so nice, so masaledar, and just yummy. So we had some photos and etc. and it was a yummy tea, and we finished. Then moving on, we thought to go for a walk, but before that I saw this beautiful showpieces, and this camera was my favorite. So this is the garden so we just were going for a walk, and then it was so greenery, so fresh. The cold breeze was just making on my day. And the place where we sat was called the Masala Club, and that was also very nice. So this is the garden area in which beside they have the swimming pool. We thought to just chill out, take some pictures and enjoy this place. So we were just chilling out, and the breeze, I can't even say about the breeze, it was so much. So this is the swimming pool. The maintaining the swimming pool well by cleaning it, but it's not open. The swimming pool is not allowed. We are not allowed to go in. So yeah, this was our swimming pool, and we had so much of fun, so much of chit chat. Like after a long time, all of these, it's so nice, so good to have all of these. And moving on, these pillars were the start to the hotel rooms. We were not staying there, but I just thought to show you. And before that, this was a beautiful fountain. It was actually watering, but it stopped. I don't know why. And we were just heading forward, just seeing all the foresty areas, and it was good. There were plants on the homes, and this place where we showed you the homes where the hibiscus wing 1201 to 1214 were the rooms, and the lobby was at the right. Meanwhile, we saw a piano, the old type of piano, which is good. And then we saw these swans. They were so beautiful, moving in groups. And then we saw this cutie pie rabbit eating leaves. Then we went and we captured some photos, and then I felt like touching them. It was so cute, it was so feathery, but we were not allowed to touch them. But it was really good. And then we moved on after seeing them, after capturing them. So yeah, moving on, we went to a place, to a temple which was 130 years old, and we were just impressed. So 130 years is great. And you see this trunk, it's like an elephant leg. It's so big, they've grown it so well. And even that tree was around 100 years old. So we were just moving on, and then we reached the temple. It was just very near. So after reaching the temple, we did our prayers, and then we moved on. We sat there for a while, and then we prayed, and then let me show you the things around there. Share it with cuties. Two people were holding it. We just asked them to give us holders. So that because we like petting pets, so it was good. It was so soft. It was scared that it won't fall, and it was already asleep in our hands. It was so soft, so cutie. We didn't have hearts to leave it, but what to do? Unfortunately, we had to leave it, and then we headed on, and then we had some photo sessions. Then we moved on just for a walk, and meanwhile we saw like seriously more trees. It was like a forest. It didn't even felt like we were in Bangalore, and there are so many trunks attached, we can't even link each other. Meanwhile, we again saw so many groups of swans, hens, and see this naughty rabbit. It was just like taking a leaf and finishing the leaf in just 10 seconds. Those are like really fast eaters, right? So good those are. So then we saw this cute little tiny chairs which we found good. So yeah guys, that's it for today's vlog. We enjoyed a lot, and it was like so amazing. It was not just a break, it was so entertaining, so enjoyable, so memorable moments that could be captured, and we just loved this Western Taj. And you know what to do. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. That's it for today. Bye.